Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this December the 10th, 2025. I hope everybody had a great Wednesday out so far, but it is a great Wednesday evening. Hope everybody continue to stay safe and well, and also enjoy the weather, because the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be taking a look at the lower 48 and the storm system moving across the area. So we're going to start off here in the northeastern U.S. You can see we got some activity from New Brunswick, southeast Canada, Maine, stretching all the way down toward West Virginia, down into western North Carolina. Cold front continue to push away. Low pressure up here lifting off into southeast Canada. You got another system here in the Pacific Northwest. I'm going to be cutting across country. You can see activity from portions of Kansas, Nebraska, stretching all the way back over to Washington, Oregon State, and Montana region as well, and a little bit down toward portions of Colorado, and also into portions of Utah as well. You can see it's pretty quiet across the southern portion of the U.S. for the Four Corners region, southern U.S., southeast, and a little bit across the Ohio River Valley as well. But up here, not going to last very long. You're going to get more activity in this region as we continue to roll forward. Alright, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Also like the video, share the video, and let's go ahead and get the show on the road here, folks. And we're going to start off with your local forecast. And thank you for tuning in to the Mike Bass Weather Forecast channel. Greatly appreciate it. Alrighty, let's go ahead and start off here with some snow activity for a portion of Maine, New Brunswick to Vermont, down toward Pennsylvania, West Virginia, all the way over toward Indiana, over toward Wisconsin, Lake Herring, Lake Superior, Michigan region as well, through Iowa to Minnesota, through the Dakotas as well. Got mixed precipitation here as well from D.C. to Virginia to western North Carolina, tip of it there, northeastern areas of Tennessee through Kentucky to Illinois. Also portion of Iowa and Missouri. Then again from western Iowa through the Dakotas, Montana, Idaho, Washington State as well. Got some freezing rain possible for a portion of Illinois. Then again from Iowa through the Dakotas over here in Montana. And even some heavy snow in Montana as well. And also one area over here in Washington State. Shower activity in portions of Washington, Oregon, and Idaho region as well. Got some flash flooding and heavy rain possible over portions of Idaho regions as well. Got a little bit of shower activity in there across southeast Texas, stretching into Louisiana regions as well. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Thursday. Alright, let's move on to your Friday forecast now. We're going to take a look at it. And it should be rolling out here in just a few minutes. Alright, you can see here we got some shower activity in Washington State. Also a little bit of northwest Oregon, Idaho, a little bit of Montana. Even got mixed precipitation there as well in portions of Washington State, stretching over to Idaho. Also portions of Montana, Wyoming, a little bit in portions of South Dakota. Got some freezing rain and some heavy snow over portions of Montana. More snow flying from areas of northeastern Montana to eastern Montana through the Dakotas. Iowa, Nebraska, and portions of Minnesota. More snow flying up here around Lake Superior, Lake Herring, Michigan, Wisconsin, southeast Canada, over to Ottawa, Toronto, Canada, stretching down to Indiana, Ohio, Pennsylvania, New York State, all the way up into northern Maine. Got mixed precipitation in portions of Indiana to down toward eastern and northeastern Kentucky, northwestern in North Carolina through Virginia, D.C. areas as well. Got some shower activity across Louisiana and Texas areas also. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Friday. Alright, now let's move on to the current watch and warning advisory map for your locations across the nation. And it should roll out something like this here. Alright, we got a colorful map here this evening already. Alright, you can see we got winter weather advisories from Maine to New Hampshire, Vermont, New York State, Pennsylvania, West Virginia, western portions of Virginia, northwestern North Carolina, eastern and northeastern areas of Kentucky. Late wind advisories over South Carolina, portions of east central Georgia. Freeze warnings, freeze watches in effect for South Georgia, North Florida. We got special weather statements up here in Kentucky to Indiana to Ohio, West Virginia, up in the portion of Pennsylvania. Got some winter storm warnings in the pink in portions of Pennsylvania, western New York State, northern New York State, and southern portions of Vermont. Also, we got mixed, and also we got more winter weather advisories over here in areas of North and South Dakota, a little bit in portion of Minnesota, one county there in Iowa, stretching over to Montana. We have winter storm warnings in the pink. We have one ice storm warning there in North South Dakota. High wind warnings and watches over areas of Colorado and also into areas of Wyoming. Also, we have winter storm watches in effect for portions of Montana. Winter storm warnings in the pink. High wind warnings and wind advisories over Montana. Avalanche warnings also in portions of Montana. Northern Idaho. We have some air quality alerts for you guys in Idaho and Oregon State. Also, we have flood warnings, flood watches, wind advisories, also some high wind warnings also in effect for portions of Washington State, stretching into portions of Oregon, and some dense fog advisories for portions of Central California. Small craft advisory gale warning from Maine to the east coast of Florida, Big Bend area to southern Mississippi, to the Mississippi, Alabama line. Then again from Central California up to Washington State, central and northern Hawaii and Chain Island. Got some high surf warnings there as well. And also around the Alaska region, some freeze and spray warnings. Inland and northern Alaska, some areas of winter weather advisories. Alright, now let's move on to the Storm Prediction Center outlook. We're not anticipating any thunderstorm for day 2 and 3. So we're just going to show you the map of day 2. No thunderstorms are expected. Alright, Climate Prediction Center. We're going to take a look at the next 8 to 14 day temperatures. If you're getting tired of this cooler weather, wait till you see what's in store for the next 8 to 14 day temp. This is valid from 18 December to December 24, 2025. That was updated today. Below normal temps from Maine to near normal for portions of Vermont, over toward northern New York State, Michigan, back over toward northern areas of Washington State. Elsewhere, we got near normal all the way down toward areas of New York State as well. Also areas of, like I say, Michigan to Washington State. And then there goes that big warm up well above normal temps for much of Washington State to Texas to the Carolinas, Florida, all the way up to southern New York State. So get ready for a big warm up between now, after this cool spell that's come through, then a big warm up coming up after that. Alright, we got well above normal temps across the Alaska region and well below normal temperatures across Alaska. Alright, above normal precipitation for Maine, stretching towards Ohio, all the way back to California, and well above normal precipitation for Northern California to Montana to Washington, Oregon State, Idaho region. Then we have below normal precipitation from Arizona to Texas to the Carolinas, all the way up to Virginia, stretching up toward Kansas and Nebraska. And then we just have a little sliver area of near normal precipitation, Southern California, all the way up to the Ohio River Valley and portion of the Northeast, South Florida. We got below normal to the southeast of Alaska, central and north, above normal. Alaska, we got above normal, near normal, and below normal for much of the area. Alrighty, well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. Like the video, share the video. We'll get you back in the next one. So have a wonderful Wednesday evening, folks. Take care and also enjoy the weather, because the only weather you got.